Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will prepare a quinoa salad with lemon herb vinaigrette. Firstly, wash the quinoa. Combine chicken broth in a medium saucepan. Bring to a boil, then add quinoa, reduce the heat, cover and simmer for 15 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff with a fork and let it cool. Here are a few health benefits of quinoa salad. It's an excellent fiber source and can prevent or treat constipation. It also helps you feel full longer. Regular eating of quinoa maintains a healthy weight loss and is essential for heart health. This salad is loaded with magnesium, potassium, and iron folate. Quinoa salads are excellent choices for vegetarians and vegans. It also provides the body with the necessary building blocks for muscle growth and repair. This salad is packed with vitamins and minerals. Combine the cooked quinoa, cucumber, sweet pepper, cherry tomatoes, red onion, parsley, and mint in a large bowl. Also, in a small bowl, whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper to create the vinaigrette. Afterwards, pour the vinaigrette over the quinoa salad and toss to combine, and let the salad sit for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Incorporating this salad into your diet can be a delicious way to promote overall health and well-being. Serve and enjoy, it's incredibly delicious.